Alright, so we got some fenders flopping when we're driving. See? There's another one. So, I don't think it pays to show, do the whole rundown how I'm going to do it, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. But what we'll do is we'll come back when it's all fixed, hopefully. There, ain't perfect. It'll work. So their task is drill a different hole. So these ain't flopping in the wind anymore. Hey, we're doing what we gotta do. We got one last thing we're doing, just to spice it up for fun. We got our flaming shock cover boots. We'll dress up this machine. So take a visual before. They're sealed by Velcro. And you can spice up your ride. Look at that. Not for everybody, but yeah. I know I said previously we're going to change this bar in the future, but we're still using the machine, so it ain't too safe with these grips like this. So we're just going to throw some grip glue on. There it is. Grip secured, fender secured. Got the motor mounts good, changed oil. Choke cable fixed. Spicy, flashy shock boots. Don't think you were here for the rest of the video. We did a petcock. Yep, you were. Sprocket cover. Foot peg bolt. We'll probably have a different video. Maybe I'll just do it on this one yet. So you get a good view of what it looks like now. And we can spice it up to make it look like it's only 10 years old instead of 25. But maybe we won't get to that. The pressure washing, putting spray on the stuff, conditions the plastic. Then we got some special stuff we put on at the end. I don't know if we're going to get to that though. There it is. Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.